Hello, my name is Nicole Cole. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought we would do some more cleaning. I'm still cleaning after Memorial Day company, and I wanted y'all to see how I do my bedding, and we're going to do some decorating together, and then we're just going to do a full view of this bedroom. This bedroom is at the front of our home. There is a lake view off this room as well. But this room, we consider my daughter's bedroom. So she loves very rustic. She loves Blue Willow like her mama, and she loves cotton. So I thought y'all would enjoy watching me kind of decorate in here and give you some ideas as far as how I mix and match bedding, how I do my side tables, and it's a beautiful room. I love this room. Now, overlook the furniture placement in here. When you're my age and your children are married, you have to hold pieces of furniture for your babies. So just grab a cup of coffee, sit back and relax and enjoy. This room is beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to kind of show you how I style side tables in a bedroom. This is a guest bedroom, and this is my daughter's guest bedroom. We have assigned rooms for each child right now, but I have this placemat, and it's kind of like a seagrass, and I thought I would use that so they don't have to be used just for your table, dining table. You can use them other places as well, which I just love to use them because it gives some more texture. So I'm going to use that as my base, and I'm setting it at a diagonal so it gives me a wider stance of area to decorate. I have this bowl already on there. It's a Blue Willow. She loves Blue Willow, so I try to add that in her bedroom. So I'm going to set that in one corner. So I've got that on one corner of my placemat. Now I always like to do in threes, okay? So you either want to do fives, threes. You never want to do an odd number. That's what I've always been taught. So always do, you never want to do an even number. You always want to do an odd. So always do an odd number. So fives, sevens, so you get the idea. So this will do threes because it's a smaller table. And in that, let's see, I have a picture of she and I together, and I think I'm going to use that on the other side. But you know how I talk about hills and valleys? So I need something with height in the center. Let's see, I have this ginger jar, and it's once again Blue Willow. So I could put that in the center. It's almost the same height as the picture. I could put this on top of some books, and I may eventually do that. I don't have any in here right now, but I'll do that later. But you get the idea, 3s. So I want to add something in that bowl, and I have this greenery that I got from Pine and Ivy, and you see the variation of the dark green and the light green. I thought that would be really pretty in here, because as y'all seen when I was doing the the bedding is kind of dark, so I want to kind of highlight some different colors. So I'm going to put that in there, and that's really pretty in there. It shows up really pretty. So I want to add a few of my antlers, because I love them everywhere. I'm just going to put one on one side and one on the other. So simple, but super cute. I love that, but I will get me some books to go behind. So I found me some books. I got 3 just to see how it's going to work. If you wanted color, you could turn it where the spine shows. If you do not, you can always use the natural side. So it's just depending on the look that you want. Sometimes I'll mix it up and I'll use the page side and the spine side, mixing them up. So let's just play with it. I like this dark color because it kind of mimics the bedding. So I'm going to do that. And they always suggest to do some kind of black in every room. Now this bed has black nail heads on it and brackets. So, but I want to bring in a little bit more of that black. And then I have this green one. I'm wondering if I turn it this way. Let's look and see if that's a good height. That is a good height. Let's try one more and just see. And I love this one. It's kind of a bluish gray, so I'll probably just leave it as is. Oh, that's perfect. I love that. I love the variation in the different heights. So, yeah, I think that works good. So always use odd numbers, and as I always do, hills and valleys, and you can use your placemats as a runner for your nightstands. Okay, so I am not a matchy-matchy person. So on this side of the bed, this is a square table that I have over here. It's got a granite top. I think that's granite. Anyway, I want to do the placemat like I did on the other one just to give it texture. But I wanted to look at something. I have this really pretty doily, and I wanted to add that in a way over here. Maybe, I don't know. No, I don't like it. I X-net that idea. All right, so once again, I'm gonna go at a diagonal, and I'm gonna put the lamp as the side piece, so one side. And then on the other, I have another ginger jar in the blue, so I'm gonna set it, wait, I'm gonna do it in the center. Yes, and I'm gonna set the lid kind of down here, if I can get it to lay the way I want it to. And then I have some grass that I want to put in it to give some greenery. I always like the greenery in here. And then I have this little church. So this side is super simple. I've got 3s. I could do a little bit more on there just to give it, I don't know, that's just too much. I like it just like this. Don't y'all? So yeah, this is pretty. All right, so there's your 2 side tables. See, I may have noticed that I like to put something on the foot of each of my guest bedrooms. Just something to make it a little more homey. I don't know, it's just me. So this is just a plain piece of cedar. I'm just gonna put that on the edge of the bed. And then I have Christian, my daughter, she loves bunny rabbits. So I'm gonna add the little bunny rabbit with a little bit of greenery. And she's my cotton baby. She loves cotton. So I'm going to put that right there. And then I have this antique door handle that I'm going to put right here. So it just kind of gives it a little dressing up on the table, excuse me, on the bed. And I think it looks really cute. Now let's get a full view of the room.